If you are using WordPress for your business website and HubSpot for marketing or CRM, then this video is going to save you a lot of time because HubSpot has made it really easy to connect your WordPress website directly with your HubSpot portal. And once you do that, a lot of powerful things start happening in the background. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I share HubSpot features, digital marketing strategies, and practical tutorials that you can actually use. So let's quickly see how you can connect HubSpot with WordPress step by step. Alright, so first of all, I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. From here, just go to the plugins on the left side and click on add plugin. And in the search bar, you can search for HubSpot and you will see a plugin called HubSpot All-in-One Marketing. So this is the official plugin by HubSpot and it includes things like forms, pop-ups, live chat and tracking. So you can go ahead and install it now. I have already installed and activated it. So you can install and activate it. Once you click on HubSpot, it will show you the login pop-up and you can keep your credentials and log into your HubSpot account. Once you click on continue, it will show you the portals you have access to. So you can select the correct account and click continue. And that's it. Your WordPress website is now connected to HubSpot. So once you connect your HubSpot account, you will see start exploring option. You can click on that and after that you will see some options appearing in your WordPress account. So I'm seeing forms, live chat, contacts, emails, lists, reporting and settings. So some of your HubSpot data will start appearing in WordPress directly, like forms. So you can click on forms and you will see all forms what you have in your HubSpot account, and you can actually copy the short code of the form. So let's say we want to keep this form on a WordPress page or post, so you can embed it directly by clicking on this, or you can copy the short code and paste it on the page. So that's how you can use forms inside WordPress. And if you go to the live chat, you will see all the chatbots created in your HubSpot account. And if you want to edit anything, it will take you directly to your HubSpot account, so you can edit in HubSpot account. So that's about live chat, and same goes for contacts, emails, lists and reporting. If you want to edit anything or if you want to see the list of contacts, emails, lists and reporting, you can directly click on the option. It will take you to the HubSpot account, so you can do all the changes there. You also get basic settings here, so you can click on settings. So if in the future you want to disconnect this website or connect it to a different HubSpot portal, you can do all of that from here. So you can disconnect by clicking on reset plugin. So now honestly, inside WordPress, the plugin itself doesn't look very advanced, and that's completely fine because the real magic happens in the background. Once the integration is active, HubSpot start tracking your website traffic. You will see detailed traffic reports inside HubSpot. And when someone fills a form or visits pages, all that activity gets logged inside their contact record. So when you open any contact in HubSpot, you can literally see which pages they have visited, when they have visited, and how they interacted with your website. As long as HubSpot tracking code is active, you get a full picture of user behavior. So overall, this is something you can set up in less than 5 minutes, but it gives you extremely powerful tracking, reporting, and lead visibility. If you are serious about marketing, lead generation, or CRM, this HubSpot to WordPress integration is no brainer. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials, tips and tricks. And if there is any HubSpot feature or topic you want me to cover next, drop it in the comments. I'll definitely check it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.